Southeastern Ohio offers small-town charm, country roads, farm markets, kayaking, hiking plus theater, live music, delicious dining choices and much more. Unique property in Williamstown. Charming 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath ranch. A little bit rustic, but mostly warm and cozy. The sunroom has a wood-burning fireplace, perfect for making s'mores. Family room with wood-burning stove, basement rec room, workshop, canning storage, and many closets. Kitchen opens to the dining room plus a pass-through to the family room. Most of the main level has hardwood floors. Need more room? The property also has a 1-bedroom guest cabin, 2-car garage, playhouse, garden shed, and a large storage building. Located on a beautiful large 0.68-acre wooded lot. Come and imagine how you can take advantage of this rare property which has views of Marietta from the front yard. One owner property.